HVAC pros, here's a shocking stat. As much as 90% of your potential customers have already made up their minds before they even talk to you. If you're still selling like it's 2019, you're probably turning your leads into price shoppers without even knowing it. Let me show you why. What's up everyone, I'm Chris with HVAC Pro Blog, and in today's video, we're diving deep into how the 2020 pandemic has permanently changed HVAC sales, and more importantly, what you need to do about it. If you're tired of customers who only care about price, stick around, because you might be surprised to learn who's really making it all about the numbers. Let's talk about the customer journey. I want to talk about how customers find you in 2025. Gone are the days when word of mouth was enough. Here's what's happening now. 43% of buyers are researching on social networks before purchasing. They're forming opinions about your company before any human contact. And if you're not showing up on Google, YouTube, and social media, you might as well be invisible. Here's a quick question for you. When was the last time you Googled your own company? Drop a comment below on what you find. Next, the traditional sales funnel hasn't changed, but where customers enter your process has. Let me break it down. The sales funnel looks like this. It starts with awareness, then interest, of course, consideration, intent, evaluation, and when you get all the way down to the bottom, it's purchase, right? Now that's not news to anyone. But here's the game changer. Pre-pandemic, customers were about 70% through this journey before talking to you. Now it's closer to 90%. Think about that for a second. That means most have already made it through evaluation. And if you're stuck on consideration or intent still, no wonder you're fumbling those sales calls. Let's talk about what this means for your sales approach. Let's use a ductless heat pump sale as an example. If you're still starting your pitch with how quiet the system is or how it looks on the wall, you're way behind. Your customers already know all of that from their research. What they really want to know is specific energy savings numbers, or detailed comparisons with other options, or maybe advanced control features. And most importantly, why they should choose your company. If you're not adapting to this new reality, guess what becomes the only differentiator? That's right, price. So, who's making it about price? If you're not evolving your sales approach to match today's informed buyer, you might be the one pushing customers towards price-based decisions. The good news, now that you know better, you can do better. Here's your action steps. First, audit your online presence. Then, update your sales presentation to focus on company value. And of course, start meeting customers where they are in the buying process. If you found this valuable, would you please like and subscribe for more HVAC business growth strategies? And hey, drop a comment below sharing your biggest takeaway from today's video. I'll see you in the next one.